In this video, I'm going to show you how to add Adobe Fonts to Premiere Pro. Let's say you're working on a project in Premiere Pro and you've already added some text to your timeline. Double-click on your text to edit it, and then look to the right side of your screen for the Properties panel. Under the Text section, click on the font name to open the font list. If you search for a font and it's not available, you can add it using Adobe Fonts. Just click on the Add Adobe Fonts button. This will open the Adobe Fonts website in your browser. Here, you can use the search box to find your favorite font. Once you find it, click on it. You'll see that font families often include many styles such as thin, regular, bold, and more. If you want to add all of them, click on Add Family. If you only want one particular style, click Add Font next to that version. Once the font is added to Adobe Fonts, you'll still need to make it appear in Premiere Pro. For that, you must close Premiere Pro entirely. Restarting it is necessary for the new font to load. Once you've reopened your project, double-click your text again and go to the font list in the Properties panel. Now, search for your font once more, and this time it will appear in the list. Simply click on it to apply it to your text, and this is how you can add Adobe Fonts to Premiere Pro.